Why I travel. It seems that every year I spend most of my time in planes or thinking about being in a plane, going somewhere new. I'm always trying to travel to places around or to new places and discover and explore. Traveling just sort of fills my soul. It's all about the new experiences and trying to explore the unknown, seeing everything from a different angle. And I think the important thing to remember for me is that there's so much beauty in this world that I haven't seen yet. It's just something that drives me. I just want to see more and more what the world has in store for me and what I can do and what I can see, and especially nature-wise. It's just incredible. I think another really cool thing is just waking up in different places every day and seeing things in a different light, literally, because you might get there at night and wake up in the morning and it just all looks new. That newness, that unknown, that thrill, that adventure is what drives me to go to the next place, because without it, I feel like my life would become a bit dull. Mountains have a lot to do with places I travel to. If there's mountains, I'm immediately 10 times happier for some reason. Just being up there in that elevation and being able to hike and all the different opportunities that mountains give you, it just really just makes me happy. I think that's one of the coolest experiences of my life, getting this close to sharks. There's so much beauty in this world. Favorite rapper, Devmo, who I just think is incredible. I was able to meet her because I was traveling, because I was in the same city as she was. You know, you just meet people and it's an invaluable experience. And I guess that's what it's all about, creating experiences, but also creating it with other people. Life is meant to be enjoyed. That's why I travel.